this is how my food came out. Hey you guys, back again with another banger. Snack break. I would say the chicken wasn't good too. Now that the vegetables are mostly cooked, we need petite dice. I would say smells just like how I wanted. Yeah, look. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so we're gonna make our tacos now. The way I wanna make mine is, of course, season the fuck out of this. Put some cheese. This is all the cheese we have, so we gotta be generous. After we put the cheese, we're gonna put 1 scoop of the, 1 scoop, well, probably 2 scoops. Ooh, this is hot. Probably like that. Probably a little more. Right? Then we're gonna get some chicken. Put some protein on that bit. And we're just gonna hot! Y'all ain't see that? Hot, hot, hot. And that's how most of my tacos are gonna turn out. We're gonna get our taco things. We're gonna set up our tacos. Y'all, this gonna come out cute. Oh, baby. gonna put these together because the taco is long. So. Yeah, these looking great. They're looking this great. So we're gonna do that again. So we're gonna start again with the cheese. With some vegetables. I gotta come close. I'm trying to fix for you. It's hot. This looks so good. Yes. Now I want to hear from you. What's your ultimate combo for your tacos? I want to know and give me your suggestions on my tacos for Taco Tuesday. And don't forget to hit the link in my bio. Go down in the description to see the other video that I'm about to post of me trying the cut water and my tacos together, and also probably doing a little bit more Q&As just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. This is how my food came out.
Damn!
But if you want to see me try it, just go down in the video and you will see me try it. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do your thing, and don't forget to reshare and support your girl, because I'm gonna be dropping bangers after bangers, y'all. My flavor that I got into cut water is the Tiki Rum Mai Tai. So I'm excited for this.